Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to restore a backup and how to transfer data on LENOVO Tab K11. Okay, first I'll show you how you can transfer the data from your previous device into your tab, and then I'll show you how you can restore the backup from Google One. So let's begin. As you can see, we are doing the setup process. We need to click on Start, but first select your language. In here, select that you have agreed and read the above terms, then click on Next. If you want, you can insert a SIM card and enable the mobile network, but it's up to you. And now we need to select our network. So I'll just type the password. Okay, then hit on Connect. We need to wait now a little bit. Okay, now we have possibility to copy up some data, so let's click on Next. And now the tab wants us to connect both devices to each other using the cable. If you don't have a cable that fits, click on No Cable and click on Copy Without. We can do this wirelessly. Now click on Next. Once again, we need to wait. Okay, select who's going to use the device. And now on our previous device, we need to open up our Google app. And now type or use the voice command. I'm going to do this manually. I need to type set up my device. This sentence. Then click on Next. It's searching for available devices. Okay, verify the shapes. If they are the same, click on Next. Click on Copy. I also need to verify by drawing my screen lock that I have on my previous device. Okay, both devices are connecting. Okay, and now from the list select the things that you would like to copy. When it comes to the things such as Google Calendar, contacts, photos and Gmail, they are synced automatically. So from that list, simply select the things that you want to copy. In my case, I want everything except my apps. Then click the copy button if you have selected everything. Okay, and now we have a normal setup process, so simply scroll down and click on Accept. Now we have backup services, and they are really useful. I highly recommend turning them on, but everything is up to you. It's your device, not mine. Now we need to select our default browser and search engine. I'll select Google Chrome as my default browser and Google as my search engine. Okay, if you want in here, you can enable to join the user experience program. It's up to you. In my case, I only want to keep the auto update enabled and restart and upgrade overnight. Then click on Next. You can set the password and also add the face recognition if you're interested. I'll skip it. It's always available later, even after the setup process. Now we can continue or leave and get a reminder. I'll continue. Now let contacts nearby find and share with us. I can agree to that feature. Why not? Now we have alternative way of launching our Google Assistant by simply saying, "Hey Google," we can launch that feature. I'll skip it, I don't want it. Access your assistant without unlocking your device, why not? Let's agree. Okay, now click on next. You can also add another email account, change how text displays and review additional apps. I don't want it, so I'll click on no thanks. Okay, the copying is nearly done. It should be finished at any second. Alright, copying is finished, so click on done. Get into tab ready. Select your system navigation method, gestures or 3 button. I'll stick to gestures. Now click on get started. And now, as you can see, we are ready to use our tab. Alright, that was the first method. Now I'll show you how to restore the backup from Google One. Okay, again we are doing the setup process. As you can see, simply connect to the Wi-Fi and everything. Now copy apps and data. We want to click on next, but this time we need to select that we cannot use other device. Click on OK. Select who's going to use the device. Okay, and now the most important part when it comes to this method. We need to sign in into the same Google account on which we made our backup before, because if you'll be signed in into wrong account, simply you won't have possibility to restore the backup. So now I will sign in and I'll see you in a second. Okay, after you have signed in, click on agree. Alright, and now select the backup that you would like to restore. In my case, I want that one. Okay. When it comes to Google Photos, Gmail, Calendar and Drive, they are synced automatically. And in my case, I want to restore everything. So, click the restore button. Okay, and now we have a simple setup process. So, hit on accept. When it comes to Google services, now we have backup options and services that are really useful, so I'll turn them on. Click on next. We need to select our default browser and search engine. I'll stick to Google Chrome in my case, and I'll pick Google as my search engine. Now click on next. You can set your password and also the face recognition. If you don't want to do it now, you can always click on skip. It's available later in the settings of our device. You can continue the setup or leave and get a reminder. I would like to continue. Now we have a feature that will let contacts nearby find and share with us. It's up to you, you can read how it works. I will agree. We can launch the Hey Google option to launch our assistant. I'll agree. I'll do it again. Now we have possibility to access our assistant without unlocking that screen. I'll also agree. Click on next. You can add another email account, change how text displays or review additional apps. In my case, I don't want to do it, so I'll click on no thanks. Once again, we need to wait. Alright, select the system navigation method, gestures or 3 button. I'll stick to gestures. Okay, we are all set up. So let's click on get started. Okay, and now we are ready to use our tab. Also, don't disconnect from the Wi-Fi yet, because there's a chance that some apps might still be installed. Yeah, you can see it on the notification bar. So wait until everything gets downloaded and then you can disconnect from your Wi-Fi. In my case, I'll wait a little bit until everything gets installed. Alright, and that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.